How to fix ChatGPT login error access denied. So first thing you want to do is some basic troubleshooting. So you want to do some troubleshooting first. So first is clear the browser cache and the cookies. So outdated or corrupted data in your browser can sometimes cause the login issues. Then you might also want to try a different browser or go incognito mode. So simply just download another browser and just go incognito mode. And then you might also want to try a different device. So if it's specific to your device, you might want to try another device. You can also need to check your internet connection, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. Then check the server status and verify that the servers are online and not experiences outage on the ChatGPT side. Then you might want to disable your VPN. So make sure you're not using a VPN, and if you are, try disabling it. And then lastly, you want to check for authentication. So make sure that your sign up continue with Google or continue with Microsoft, and make sure you're using the same method to log in. And for some advanced troubleshooting, you might want to check your browser extensions because sometimes some browser extensions can cause it to not be able to access these type of websites. You might want to check for updates as well on your browsers. You might want also to check your firewall network settings. And then lastly, you need to contact the Open AI support.